So this is our first destination of the day. Just some trails, you know. But we're gonna have to leave here pretty soon because, well, my buddy forgot his helmet, so we gotta go all the way back to town and cut this destination short, and then we're gonna go somewhere else. And full send, if you know what I mean. So keep on shredding, bro. Oh, in his natural habitat. Oh my God! Hell yeah. So yeah, guys, this video probably ended up being really short, you know, but you probably clicked on this video because you want to know how much I spent on this clapped out 2015 YZ450F. And the truth is, with how clapped she is and everything, I spent $3,900. Now, for 2015, I think $3,900 is actually a steal of a deal, honestly. I think I stole this thing, and I left that guy with nothing. $3,900 for a 2015 YZ450F? Hell yeah, that's badass, man. Got away. He's homeless now, and I've got a dirt bike for $3,900. Just kidding. The truth is, I spent $4,500 on it. These things, I see them selling for almost 6 all the time, so I think 45 was a good deal, you know? I think it's a pretty good deal. You know what? Yeah, I think 45 is a good deal, right? Was 45 a good deal? Did I get ripped off? I think it's fine. 45 was a good deal. But no, guys, seriously, all jokes aside, you know, I actually paid $1,900 for the old clapped out YZ450F. $1,900. Was it worth it? I don't freaking know. When we were leaving that place, she didn't really want to start again. I was seriously kicking on it for a long ass time, so she's kind of at loss for compression, if you know what I mean. So yeah, new piston probably, or valve work, whatever. I'll do it. Hopefully $1,900 wasn't too bad, but $1,900 is what I actually bought it for, so you know. And I got a title with it and everything, so I mean, a 2015 for $1,900, I don't think it was that bad, you know. So sometimes you just gotta false end. But yeah, so I'm gonna tear this thing apart now and probably make another video on that, just ripping this thing in half, checking them valves, and yeah, so stay tuned, bruh. Shred the gnar, you know. Also, yeah, gonna head to the gym real quick, so subscribe, add me on Snapchat, follow me on Instagram, you know, the whole shabam, the wham damn lamb. So, and I mean, grip it and rip it, bro. Just gonna send it high and wide. Hell yeah.